just got done previewing the Neon Tokyo video for this weekend showing at the LORAIN Palace Theater. Yo, it's going down, man. Make sure to bundle up because it's gonna be cold. But we're showing visuals right here in LORAIN. We're making an impact. We're creating positive vibes. Y'all gotta come out here and support and be here with us. Let's do this together, y'all.
Design aspects of it, me coming from LORAIN and just doing New York Fashion Week. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll let Ray talk a little bit here.
Yeah, so it was pretty sweet. This is my first big video like this. I've done things before this, but never a fashion show. So Jevon just basically said, tag along and you're gonna learn something new. So that's what I did. It is a fashion show.
What are you doing?
I filmed it.
You did?
I filmed it.
There?
It's not on here. It's edited.
What are you doing now?
I'm taking a video of you.
The movie, and Ray putting all the work into it, and it's on the big screen. It's like him proving to everybody like I'm here, and you guys got to really see that I'm putting this work into video editing and everything. So I'm excited for it. It's crazy. You could only see if you could only see if you could only see now.
Yo, so if you stayed this far into the video, I truly appreciate you guys, man. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the good stuff. I'm gonna link my YouTube over here, Jevon's YouTube over here, and I'm actually gonna put the video that I created for the whole fashion show right down here. So get to that link, watch the video, tell me how you feel, comment, subscribe. Remember to stay positive, do something good for one another, create, stay in good rhythm. This is a new year.